In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up on Shopify. Pop-ups are great for promoting discounts, collecting email subscribers, or sharing important announcements with your visitors. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Settings. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels. Now click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Poptin Popup or any pop-up app you prefer. From the search results, select the pop-up app and click Install. Follow the prompts and click Install again to complete the setup. Once the app is installed, open it from your Apps section. Now, choose a pop-up template that matches your store style. Click on Select Template and then enter Edit Mode. Inside the editor, customize your pop-up text, images, colors, and buttons. You can also adjust pop-up settings such as when it appears, exit intent triggers, or time delays. After customizing everything, click Publish. Next, choose where you want the pop-up to appear, such as across your entire website. Now, go to the Shopify theme editor if required and enable the pop-up app integration. Finally, click Save. To test it, open your online store and check that the pop-up appears correctly. That's it. You've successfully added a pop-up to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling.